Hi there.
Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're diving into simple sentence structures to help you talk like a pro in no time. Understanding and mastering basic sentence structures is the foundation of fluent communication. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build clear and correct sentences that make you feel confident in any conversation. Let's start with the basics. Subject plus verb plus object. This is the most common sentence structure in English. For example, I eat breakfast. She reads a book. In these sentences, I and she are the subjects, eat and reads are the verbs, and breakfast and a book are the objects. Next, let's add some details to make your sentences more interesting. For example, use adjectives to describe things. I eat a delicious breakfast. She reads an interesting book. You can also use adverbs to describe actions. I eat breakfast quickly. She reads a book quietly. Now, let's look at questions. In English, questions often follow a specific order. Auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. For example, do you like coffee? Does she play the piano? Notice how we use do or does at the beginning, depending on the subject. For negative sentences, add not after the auxiliary verb. I do not like coffee. She does not play the piano. Here's how you can practice building simple sentences. First, start with short sentences. Write or say sentences about your daily life, like, I walk to work, or he drinks water. Second, expand your sentences step by step. For example, start with I eat breakfast. Add an adjective. I eat a big breakfast. Add an adverb. I eat a big breakfast quickly. Third, practice asking and answering questions. For example, do you like pizza? Yes, I like pizza. Does she study English? No, she doesn't study English. Here are some tips to help you master simple sentence structures. Practice speaking out loud. Use basic sentences to describe what you're doing, like, I am cooking dinner or I am watching a movie. Listen to how native speakers talk. Pay attention to the order of words in their sentences, especially in questions and negatives. Use language apps or online exercises to practice forming sentences. These tools provide instant feedback to help you improve. And most importantly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learning a new language takes time, and every sentence you practice brings you closer to fluency. If this video has been helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV for more practical and easy-to-follow English lessons like this one. By subscribing, you'll never miss a chance to strengthen your English skills and communicate with confidence. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.